Hello there, this is Dina Marais of dinamarais.com, and I would like to talk to you about your Prosperous SoulPurpose Business. And I just want to share my screen so I can show you a diagram and then talk you through it. So this is really something that has been my discovery of what it means to be a successful online entrepreneur. It consists for me of three spheres, or three circles, or three pillars, however you want to see it. Purposeful is to be aligned to your soul purpose. In other words, your niche. For me, your soul purpose is your niche. And of course, that means it's also aligned to your vision and that you do have a vision for your business. And of course, you have offerings. You have programs or packages that you use to share your gifts with the people that you like to work with. So of course, your niche is a specific group of people that you love to work with. They have a problem that you are very good at solving. And of course, in working with you, there is a tangible result. In other words, there's a transformation. Something happens and their lives are different from before they worked with you until after they worked with you. So that is really to have a business that's on purpose. Then the other sphere is about prosperous. Now, we all go into business to have a lucrative business. And what really pulls us towards it is, of course, the freedom. The freedom of time, freedom of money, freedom of purpose, freedom of working from anywhere. And of course, this means that we have a prosperous or a prosperity mindset, a prosperity consciousness. And that's all to do with your inner game. That's to do with your relationship with self, with yourself, with money, with source. And it's also about working with the universal laws, the universal law of attraction. Of course, there are many other laws as well, but most people are familiar with the law of attraction. So that is the whole prosperous part of your business. And then it's about business. Now, business is all about organization. It's about planning. It's about systems, the skills, the processes of marketing and selling, and how you manage your clients, of how you manage your money, etc., etc. And what we want to do and how I work with my clients is to get them to the sweet spot where these three things are overlapping and where they are at optimal levels. In other words, you have offerings that people really want to buy from you, and you have a very specific niche, people that you serve. You have a very clear vision. And when this is all aligned, then you are really on purpose in your business. And of course, regarding prosperity is that your inner game is reflected in your outer game. Of course, that's always what happens, but that is also a reflection of your success, of the money that you're making in your business, of your impact, of how many people you are serving, your goals with money, and of course, how you handle your business. And that's where business comes in. Do you actually run your business from the perspective of a CEO, or are you the employee in your business? And that is where planning comes in. Planning gives you that big picture. And if you really want to have a successful business, you want to run it as the CEO of your business. In other words, you want a big picture that you can step back from and you can see the details, how they fit into your big picture, versus just working from the details and you get lost in the details. So at this moment, I have a planning workshop going where it's a 4.5-hour workshop. It goes by in a flash, and it's a virtual workshop, and it's called the 4 Easy Steps to Planning Your Business Here. And in doing that workshop, you really plan your year. of 2019. And this is really a gift to you and to your business that gives on giving. That keeps on giving, rather. So if you're interested in that, if you're interested in really running your business like the CEO of your business, having it planned out. So if you want to have a successful business, you have to plan it that way. And what I love about what people say about the workshop is that it brings together the feminine and the masculine energy. And I haven't even thought about that, but yes, it is true. So it gives you still the flexibility of things that can change because life happens. But you have a plan then that you can change. So if you're interested in the planning workshop, it's still running for 2 more days, the 3rd of January and the 7th. And then that's it for the next quarter. So if you want to get ahead in your business, hit the road running from January as quickly as possible, then you would like to do this workshop. You find it at bit.ly/4-steps-plan. You'll also see it on my timeline, my personal timeline, on my Facebook page, on my Facebook group, Monetize Your Soul Purpose. So that is regarding the planning workshop. Now, as you will see in my business and the way that I work with my clients, I work on these 3 areas. At the moment, we're doing the planning workshop, but I also would like to invite you. This is the time when I love to give back. And if you would like, and this is why I'm offering also a free coaching session to you to ascertain where you are in your business, where do you need help, how can I help you to move forward. And so we will look at what is your vision for the year, what would you like to achieve, or maybe you have a specific outcome. And then it's about, discovering, because we all have blind spots, what is really in your way. What is in your way that prevents you from achieving that, or that could prevent you from achieving your, manifest your vision for the year. And of course, you walk away with new insights, you walk away with your next steps that you know what to do. And often, even the smallest step that can move us forward opens up big doors, it gives us big leaps. So, and this is something that's important for us to take up opportunities like this. If somebody offers you a free coaching session, of course I'm going to offer you, if we are a fit, I'm going to make you an offer to work with me on many levels. I have people can work with me. However, it is still your choice. And you feel the same as an entrepreneur when you, or a coach, when you offer free sessions to your peeps. That you would like to help them, that's your intention. And if they want to work with you, it's their choice. If they don't, that's fine. Everybody wins. Because you as the coach, and me, I'm talking about myself, I love helping you in some kind of direction. It gives me a great reward. And it helps you because you get some insight in moving forward. And it's just a win-win situation. So I would like to encourage you, if you have some kind of, if you need some kind of support, is to take up this offer of mine. And you can book a session at calendly.com/Dina Marais. I'll put the links below or above the video. So, and then in the next month and during this year, I have programs that I'm going to launch around creating your product, your perfect product, your best selling online product. You'll start seeing things about that very soon on my timeline, posting blogs and have a wonderful lead magnet for you to opt in for, as well as the Awaken Your Prosperous True Self program that's coming along later in the year. So this is just to kick off 2019. I would like to just fill you in on what I have planned for for my business, and of course, as a business coach, if you would like to participate in that. And it's also to think about whatever someone like me, a business coach like me, offers you, it's not just for you. It's always for your clients. It's always so that you can do a better service to your clients. And isn't that ultimately the thing why we are all in the coaching business, is to help one another, so that we can all serve our clients better. And this for me, I nearly forgot to say that, this for me is all about my focus group. The people that I love to work with are entrepreneurs, online entrepreneurs, coaches, mentors, healers, experts, people that are 50 and beyond. Because I really believe that there are too many people with expertise and too many entrepreneurs and coaches that are already in business that actually are not thriving in their business. I've seen it over and over again. And you know what? It is our right as spiritual beings to make a lucrative living, doing what we love, serving people. And I would like to start a movement, Retire Rich. Rich inside out, meaning it's about helping others and make a lucrative living at the same time. And I would like to encourage anybody who watches this video, if you think of starting a business, if you know of someone who is an expert in some kind of field that could benefit by developing their skills around business. And I always say that even if you think you don't have any skill, that you would like to share your gifts with someone, you can always, in this kind of online business, become an affiliate for someone else and work with people that still aligns to your values and what is passionate to you. So just to recap quickly, we have got the planning workshop going now for bit.ly/4 easy steps plan. Say that slowly. bit.ly/4 easy steps plan. That's the one workshop that's going on now if you want to plan your business properly for the next year. The other thing is I'm offering a free coaching session to you to bring you closer to the sweet spot of your online business. If you would like to make an appointment with me, calendly.com/Dina Marais. And thirdly, look out for posts and offers coming your way, freebies coming your way regarding creating your best selling online product. Let's all retire rich. Talk to you soon. And yes, so I will make more of these videos for you, and I hope to see you taking up the opportunity of the planning workshop or doing a free coaching session with me. Have a great weekend.